Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Adobe Photoshop for beginners. Let's start by exploring the Photoshop interface. You'll find the main menu bar at the top, the Tools panel on the left, and various adjustable panels on the right, such as layers and properties. To begin, open an existing image or create a new document. You can set custom dimensions, like 1920 by 1080 pixels for a standard high-definition image, and choose a resolution of 300 pixels per inch for print quality. Layers are fundamental to Photoshop, allowing you to edit elements independently without altering the original image. Think of them as transparent sheets stacked on top of each other. You can create new layers, duplicate existing ones, and rearrange their order. Next, we'll explore selection tools like the marquee and lasso. These tools help you precisely isolate parts of your image, enabling targeted adjustments or modifications to specific areas, ensuring your edits are controlled and accurate. Now, let's dive into making your images look their best. Photoshop offers powerful adjustment tools to enhance brightness, contrast, and color. For instance, you can easily increase contrast by 20% or boost saturation by 10% to make colors pop. Always use adjustment layers for these changes. They keep your edits non-destructive and fully editable later. We'll also cover basic retouching, like using the spot healing brush to effortlessly remove small imperfections or blemishes from your photos. Finally, it's crucial to know how to save and export your finished projects. Always save your primary working file as a Photoshop document, or PSD, to preserve all your layers and editing capabilities. This ensures you can return and make further changes easily. When you're ready to share, export your image. For web use, a JPEG file with 80% quality is often ideal, resulting in a smaller file size. For print, a high-resolution TIFF, or PDF, is usually preferred, maintaining maximum quality.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.